In this video, we're unboxing the new POCO M3. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Like I said, in this video, we're checking out the newest POCO. This is the POCO M3, and well, what's it all about? Let's unbox to see. Here we go, guys, the POCO M3 in a bright yellow box. Sort of reminds me of another brand, but yeah. 6,000 milliamp hours with easy access to the Google apps you need most. Same on this side too. And at the bottom, just some details, package contents and all that. Let's open this up. POCO. We have this sleeve. Let's open it up. SIM eject tool. We have some paperwork, warranty card, user guide. Hey, we have a screen protector in here. Nice. We also have a jelly case. Nice, nice. Not sure if you see that, but there's sort of a groove for the camera part. Interesting. And then we have the phone, but we'll look at that a little later. Ooh. So many other accessories. We have a USB-C cord, power brick. Nice, nice. What could this be? Oh, that's cool. You have this really nice like bracelet. You also have these literal ballers. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Nice. Awesome. Thanks, POCO. Now on to the phone. So first of all, this says it has 48 megapixel triple AI camera with a stunning night mode, 6,000 milliamp hour battery. That's a lot. 18 watts fast charge, 6.53 full HD plus dot drop display with dual speakers, and this is powered by a Snapdragon 662. Let's open this up. Wait, oh my gosh, wait, wow, guys, do you see this? I did not wow, so that back, I have to tell you, this is one of the best looking phones I've seen, and at the price point it's at, wow, this is so premium. As you can see, that's like, what is that material? Look at that texture. It sort of looks like it's leather or leatherette, but I'm not sure it is. It may be plastic. I'm not sure. I know it looks good. I am very impressed right now. Can we get over the looks? I don't know. Wow, good job, POCO. So that back is actually pretty interesting. Big words, POCO over there, and it's a whole black panel with this tiny camera module. There's a flash, 3 cameras. It's not a small phone. On the right side, volume rocker, we have a power button that seems like it's also doubling as a fingerprint scanner. Wow, look at those matte sides. That looks nice. Okay, these are speakers, USB-C. This might be a mic. SIM tray over here. Oh, that's a lot of slots. So that is a dual SIM tray, and there is space for a micro SD. And up top, nice, that's also a flat top. There are speakers, headphone jack, and a mic. I am super impressed by this. By far, I think that this is the best looking POCO phone. Let's power it up. Time for a montage. we go, you guys. Camera tour time. Hey, so we are on photo mode right now. We can zoom up until 8x. Can we do a wide? No wide on this. And then up here we have flash settings, HDR settings. We have AI, and when I turn that on, as you can see, it automatically detects me as a person. We have different effects. So first beauty mode, and then different filters. We have Google Lens, and on the side we have portrait mode. Tap here and you have portrait mode settings. So you have an aperture of 1:16. Again, that has AI turned on. Under more, you have night mode. Can you zoom in? Yes, up until 8x as well. We also have the 48 megapixel mode. Again, the main shooter of this camera is 48 megapixel, but it uses pixel binning to shoot smaller but better photos. You have the short video mode. We've seen this on Xiaomi phones. Basically, it's a mode that allows you to shoot 15-second clips and automatically share it on your social media. So it should pop up here if you're signed in. Now, what's cool about this is that it allows for different effects like background music. You have different slow-mo modes. Is there kaleidoscope mode? Ooh, there, my favorite, the kaleidoscope mode. That's very trippy. There are also beauty filters and other photo filters. Well, video filters. And then up here, it shows you that it can shoot in 720p or 1080p. That's cool. Under more, we also have panorama, document scanner, slow motion. What settings are there? Well, okay, it doesn't show here. But yeah, you have a slow-mo mode. Can you zoom in up until 3x? You have a time-lapse mode, and you can edit the camera menu. On to the other side, give me a second. Oh, see, we didn't check the settings under portrait mode. So it gives you size settings, it gives you timer settings, gives you the movie frame mode. I like this. If you've seen any of my Xiaomi phone or POCO phone camera tours, you know I love the beauty mode. It just gives you that dramatic bar, and it's a nice bokeh. You can adjust still, and it just makes everything look so dramatic. Under photo, you have the same settings actually. So timer, movie mode, straighten, and the macro mode is also here. And then on video mode, hey, you can zoom up until 6x. Can you zoom out? Again, 1x. You have flash settings, you have filters, you have the beauty mode, and you can shoot up until 1080p. There's also a macro mode video, and you nice. Now, on to the selfies. Is there a selfie pro mode? So there is no flipping, so I'm assuming there isn't. On video, hey, yes, selfie video mode. Up here you have the beauty mode and the filters, and then you can shoot up until 1080p. You have photo mode, flash, HDR settings, AI, what else? Size, timer, movie mode, palm shutter, of course. Again, you guys know I love this. And then you also have timed bursts. You have portrait mode, portrait settings, it's the same. Flash, AI, of course, all the same settings. Ooh, movie frame mode again. And then under more, we've gone through that. And then under more, we've gone through that. Right, time for some sample shots. And that was our quick unboxing, camera tour, and a few sample shots of the new POCO M3. Hands down, I'm loving the design. There's also a really cute yellow and I think blue of this phone. I really want the yellow one. Anyway, that is it for now. Let me know what your questions are about this phone. Let me know if a camera vlog test is something you'd like to see. If you want to see how I use all my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at @isadoes_. Until next time.